The Chronicles. The Chronicles. Hey, yo.
Fierce in the mix.
The sickest and the toughest. I'm fixing all you puppies with all the fake accolades. I can't hear brag getting them trophies. A mastermind, you catch this lion, copy for police when they pass the iron. Booty traps can never catch the lion. Better get your ass in line. Explosive like Sunoco. Provoke you out your vocals. Trash rappers all around the place. For real, who else I can go to? They act tough when they haul up on them Pro Tools. Local champion, Kao the legend of them locals. About to go berserk. You hot, who told you that? Pop, pop, shots fired. When I hold the Mac, strip you butt naked. I bet you won't make it. My zone is so sacred, crown, I'm gon' take it. Was getting bored, need some beef to fist on. Be on rappers like this one, I'm quick to piss on. They say Denero stop beefing, another diss song. Count out the type of MC you take a risk on. I killed the track, gorilla rap, I bet they're feeling that. 90 style hip hop, yo, I brought the feeling back. The flow is fabulous, my mental is just devilish. Street gospel evangelist, shout out to the Beirut street towns in Los Angeles. New York, back and forth, living a sober life. These rappers are sober hype. Birds are the same feather, they're so alike, yeah. Live them so mad like they missed the last fairy. Damn, Kao don't play with kids for real, I'm not Kelly. Home cooked food, so now I got a pop belly. Nada, these rappers cannot tell me. Captain of the ship, yeah, we're both divers. A true liar, but still, I love tigers. They say no more dissing, but dissing brings subscribers. Call me a cloud chaser, fuck how they describe us. Shout out to the writers, I'm like a David, I hardly made it. Kao don't kiss no ass just to be nominated. My cipher is a no-no, stripper type rappers. Give them a pole, let them dance to the go-go. Yes, I'm chasing from cloud, your favorite rapper is my promo. We talking true hip-hop, y'all niggas is a no-show. You're wondering who's next, who gon' kill? Kao land on it now, I got a football field. No matter how fast the rap, they sound lukewarm still. Since I'm on the ground, but feel the thunder now. Ungrateful people, Sierra Leone will never get another cow. Hey yo, they digging my tracks, the same Biggie is back. I give them goosebumps, a combination of Biggie and back. I eat good, cassava leaves plus some beef steak. This is called hip-hop, I don't beef just for beef's sake. Have a phone pissing them off, drop a mixtape. Aha, yeah, Kao the best at it. I dare any one of these countries to bring their best artists and watch me embarrass them, demolish them. Top class where my style is in. A six swag, no need to bring the stylist in. I won't deny it, I'm a straight rider. None of these clowns can really fuck with me. A different caliber, fire spitting with my saliva. Defeating any challenger, I'm just a dog in the office. Go screw yourself, save your awards and your trophies. My niggas is the real dogs. Y'all the puppies. Fuck. Word up.